What up, peeps? Running on no sleep at all today, but it's all right. Making some money. This is just a nutty market again today. It's even nuttier than yesterday and the day before and the day before that. We have Bitcoin running. We have Ethereum dumping. It's just great. It's great. Haven't slept. I didn't sleep last night. I can't sleep. You know, you train all year round for this stuff. You train like you're a boxer or something, right? You're training, you're training, you're training, you're staring at freaking charts. This is the story of my life. Staring at charts all day long, learning patterns, learning breakdowns, learning volume, blah, 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 blah. Learning everything that I one day teach everything that I know to you guys. And when the time comes, you have to be ready. And and you just have to attack and attack and attack. Um, this isn't going to last, guys. So you take these opportunities and you run with it. You really just have to run with these opportunities. So I'm sure you guys know what's going on with Ethereum and the DAO. The DAO is dead. It was dead on arrival, but it's definitely dead now. There was a hacker, and the hacker or thief, or a bunch of different things they're calling this guy, and he was able to exploit the code, and he was able to take pretty much half of what the DAO raised. It's nuts. I don't know. This seems like an inside job, really. You see this guy. I'm gonna show you this YouTube video. Um, I'll link it in the comment section below. I mean, this guy is like, he's an Ethereum developer, and he's all smiling and happy, and giddy, whatever. He's all happy about it. I mean, let me rephrase that. He's not really happy about it, but he doesn't seem concerned, and that's concerning. So, whatever. This is the world of cryptocurrencies, and that's why it's awesome to trade this market. Let's start with Bitcoin today. Right. BTC CNY. Be honest with you guys, I haven't charted this in last 24 hours. I haven't even looked at Bitcoin. I don't even know what it's worth. Let's see what we're looking at. Let me just clear out this chart. I don't want to clear out the whole thing. From the looks of it, Bitcoin looks pretty good still. Still hanging around its highs, which is strong, really strong. Let's take a look at this. If you guys have watched my previous videos, you guys know that I like to use the Fibonacci levels. This is my favorite indicator. Yeah, it looks great. This is great. 6,000, here we come. Especially, and considering the fact that you have the DAO dumping, Ethereum dumping, there isn't any lost confidence in Bitcoin, and it's showing it in the price. So that's encouraging to see, and maybe a lot of the money that was in Ethereum and BTC will flow into the Bitcoin markets. Not that it'll affect it dramatically, because the Bitcoin market is getting pretty big and market cap, but that might push it up a little bit higher. If we take a look at, this is the long-term time frame, 6,000 definitely within reach. If we look at the short term, let's take a look at the short term. What the hell was I doing there? Sometimes when I'm looking at charts, I just draw lines and try to figure out like what everybody else is doing and thinking. There's a method to my madness. One day I will teach it to you guys. All the stuff that I know, guys, is stuff that was really self-taught. I followed a lot of gurus, these gurus on Twitter. Had their trading program and courses, and paid a lot of money and lost a lot of money. They just really teach you a bunch of false information, and to really just there to pump markets in their direction, uh, like low floats, and it's a big scam. And I want to, differentiate myself um, from those people. And eventually, one day, I will offer a course for everything that I know. But for now, I'm just giving it to you guys. I'm laying it all out, and see if I can gain a following, see if the content that I put out is worthwhile. And so far, I am getting a pretty good response, and it is encouraging. This is something I've been wanting to do for a really long time. Anyways, let's get to charting. So short-term time frame. You take the Fibonacci and you put it at the high and the low point of the breakout, and you can see it's respecting this top level. Like I said in my last video, this is good to see, and this should find trend somewhere. It's trying to catch it right here. It's probably going to fail and retrace a bit. But I think it's just going to keep hovering here. It's going to keep hovering here for a while. It's going to keep hovering here until, probably until the 25th. So I wouldn't trade this choppy market right now with Bitcoin. Let it do its thing. And when a trade comes, I'll be sure to let you guys. That's the one I'm seeing. I'm not going to take too much time to chart Bitcoin right now because it's just chopping back to the, it's just chopping in this top level here, and that's just what it's going to do. Just don't overtrade this. Don't trade. Don't try and make a trade when there's no trade there. That's what I'm trying to say. Where the trades are right now is Ethereum. Ethereum, there's some awesome trades. I'm up like in the last 24 hours. Geez, like 10 Bitcoin. I haven't even added up what my gains have been. I have a folder that I keep. Yeah, I have a folder here that whenever I have a trade, I like to document my trades. I have to name this folder to today's and yesterday's date. These are my last 24 hours of trades. Let's pull out the calculator to see how much it is. We have what did I say? 2.37 Bitcoin gain. This is all from Ethereum. Let's see what we have. This was a monster trade. I couldn't name it monster. And these whenever I have a big trade, I just name monster and scalps and squeeze trade, just so I know where my profitable trades are when I document everything later on. I have an Excel sheet that I like to track my daily progress and stuff like that. This one right here was a 5.54 Bitcoin gain. And I'm not using big size on these trades. The market is so volatile. You don't need big size to make these type of gains. We have a scalp here. This was a nice little scalp. It was 0.80. I'm not doing this to brag, guys. Just trying to show you that I am a reputable trader and I know what I'm doing. And again, I'm just trying to gain a following and teach you guys everything that I know. Let's see. We have 1.35. This might seem like too good to be true. Wow, I'm over 10. Wow. Squeeze. I like doing squeeze plays. They're fun. You have to try and find the bottom of a channel or something. You just take it. And it's a nice quick scalp squeeze. 0.95. And last trade I've done was 2.97. Wait, did I already have a 2.97? No, I didn't. And 2.97. So in the last 24 hours, I made about 14 Bitcoin. If you multiply that by the current value of Bitcoin, if you want to know what that's worth in US dollar, this is going to be a little bit longer video, guys. A little bit longer. I'm doing all this other things. 751 bucks. 751. Are you kidding me? What did I just do? 14. It was like 13 point something, 99 or something like that. Times 750. 10,500 bucks. This is my best week I've had. And as we speak, I took another trade just to, I mean, it's just ridiculous what's going on with Ethereum. This is just free money. What do I got here? A little, 0.23. Let me just check this out. Let's chart this together while I'm in this trade. I am going to exit the trade. This is just a little short trade that I have going on right now. And I want to actually teach you guys something really quick too. Something as you know, I've only been trading the cryptocurrency market for the last 6 months, and I'm kind of learning as I go too with these markets. I'm coming from the stock market, so it's a little bit different how this works. But if we look at the long-term time frame, we have the Fibonacci levels. Again, you can see this cryptocurrencies love respecting these Fibonacci levels. So I dig it. I really dig these Fibonacci levels for these cryptocurrencies. It just works really well. Looks like you'll have a support here. It's a nice strong support, as you can see, at the 38% Fibonacci level. At about 0.15 Bitcoin. Oh, it's there right now. I'm about to cover. This is cool on video. You can check this out while I do it. Probably just going to take the market price. I'm not going to take this long. That was a snap and a half. What the heck just happened? Wow. Look at that, guys. Wow. I'm taking some. I'm taking some. I'm just taking the market. I want to get back to the video. Come on. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? Shoot. Buyers are coming in. Come on. Just buying myself back in. This is what I'm doing right now. I'm just exiting my trade. Let this, got some panic setting in. Give it a second. All right. Take a little bit more. Just slowly exiting. Usually I set an order on the buy side, but since I just got caught off guard, I just want to take this, quick gain because this was my plan, and just got to execute my plan as it's happening. But I didn't have my order set to cover where I wanted to cover, so I just had to take the market price. I do want to get back to this video, but this is pretty cool to catch on video. To see that I'm, we're not, whatever. It's pretty awesome, actually. Just slowly get back slowly get out of this trade. There's so much traffic on Poloniex right now. It's like there's so much dumping going on. It's really sad. This sucks. This really sucks for these people that invest in the DAO and Ethereum. It's really a shame. It's really a shame. I almost feel bad, making this money, but it's going to happen with or without me. So I'm here. You know what I mean? Keep exiting this trade. This is going to be a long video, guys. I do have a lot to talk about. I'm at, what is this? 1.11 Bitcoin gain. Pretty fucking awesome. Oh shit, this is going below that support. We'll see what happens here. This is big panic, guys. I got oh man, I wish I had a larger position. Money is money though, right? Excuse my language. We have, my indicators are on. So when these things happen, what the heck is that? Awesome oscillator? Whatever. When you have these big sell-offs like this, there it is. That's the candle I'm looking for. That is the sell-off. That's a big volume candle. I'm getting the heck out. I am getting the heck out. When these big volume candles come in, when these big volume bars come in, usually there's like some short-term reversal. Yeah, that's a big, look at that. Look at that. See that? See that big volume candle? Compare to everything else that you see here. I'm just gonna, what do I got here? I got 401 with Ether short. It's a really small position. I'm used to trading a little bigger than that. I'm just gonna let this ride while we make this video. Cool. All right. Just got a little sidetrack there. So what do we have going on with Ethereum? Bad news, really bad news. This does not look good for Ethereum. Ethereum, I don't know. The situation with Ethereum is you have this hacker that's happened to the DAO, draining the DAO, and the only way for them to stop this hacker or get the funds back is for Ethereum to do a hard fork. Now, in doing a hard fork, that's going to lose investors' confidence, because when you can change the code for a decentralized system, when you change that code, it just the integrity isn't there anymore. That's why Bitcoin is so popular. That's why I'm a big believer in Bitcoin. The fact that Satoshi Nakamoto is nowhere to be found is what makes Bitcoin valuable. And I believe Bitcoin will surpass all these alternative currencies, alternative cryptographic currencies, because people think Bitcoin is not scalable, but it is, and Bitcoin will scale. We will come to consensus, excuse me, and we will scale to a large degree. There's a bunch of developments on that right now with Bitcoin. There's Rootstock, there's Lightning Network, and there's SegWit. Those are three projects that are being developed right now for the Bitcoin protocol that will allow the Bitcoin protocol to scale dramatically and essentially just destroy any alternative currency or alternative cryptocurrency, because these are alternative currencies, in general. Holy crap! Look at this! Look at this! Look at this! Holy shit! Is this coming down here now? It's coming down to 10? Damn. I wish I had more size on this one. I'm getting greedy. I'm not chasing this down. I'm not chasing it. This is nuts. This is nuts. So that's why, so Ethereum, I might have just got sidetracked. So this hacker, and I might have already said this, there's a lot going through my mind right now. This hacker, what this hacker was able to do is drain the DAO, nearly 50% of what was raised in the DAO, which is $60 million. And now Ethereum is faced with a decision. The foundation has to decide whether or not to hard fork. Now, if they hard fork, destroys the confidence of Ethereum, and the Ethereum price goes down because of that. But I do think that what they do hard fork could be a temporary downside until confidence is restored in Ethereum. I don't think Ethereum's confidence, the confidence in Ethereum, will ever be where it was, unfortunately, because of stupid DAO. And the DAO, that's one thing that can be done. The other thing that can be done is just doing nothing. And if they do nothing, if the foundation just leaves everything as is, there's like 1.3 million Ether sitting in this hacker, thieves, whatever you want to call them's account, and he'll be able to dump that on the markets. So if you're long Ethereum, it does not look good right now. It looks like it's going down much further. I've seen this time and time again, not with cryptographic currencies, but with other, trading vehicles such as stocks and commodities. When the confidence is lost in the beginning stages, the sell-offs can be violent, and this is what we're seeing here. There's not much to analyze here. Yesterday, when I made my trades, all those trades I was showing you that I was profitable on, I woke up in the morning, my stops were hit, and I woke up to this. This is what I saw. I'm like, wow. Was it this? No, it wasn't this. It was this. Like, wow, this is going down. I shorted it. And I've been trading ever since this point. I've just been trading since this point. I've just been going long and short and scalping, and it's just not stopping. It's not going down. There's not much to show on this one right here. There's not much to show on this one today. It's just going to continue going down. It reclaimed this fib level here. It's going to keep going up probably now. It's probably going to squeeze some shorts and continue its way down. It's setting a precedent right now. It does not want to respect this, so it's coming down to 10. So if you want to short this, is probably a good short. Try and take a short position up here. You know, don't short into a dip, short into a rally. I'm gonna cut this video short, guys. I want to exit this trade and try and get some rest. It's been a crazy week. So if you guys want to see my entries and my exits, go to my Twitter. It's Official Coin Run, @OfficialCoinRun on Twitter. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Comment below if you think there's anything I should be doing differently, or if you have any questions for me. Until next time.